We guide you through how to withdraw funds from Wise. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Wise app or log in on the website, then go straight to your balance dashboard and select the currency you want to withdraw from. Next, click Send or Withdraw depending on your interface and choose your preferred withdrawal method such as bank transfer and make sure your bank account is already linked. And if not, add your bank details carefully to avoid errors. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw, double-check the fees and estimated arrival time shown on the screen. Then confirm the transaction. Wise will usually process local transfers within a minute to a few hours, but it can take longer depending on your bank. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification and can track the transfer status inside the app. Always ensure your account is verified to avoid delays.